YouTube, let's do Cloud Nothing's I'm Not Part of Me. I think that's all the parts of the song. At the beginning, it just plays. This is G sharp at the 4th fret. Plays that 2 times. E flat at the 6th fret. C sharp at the 4th fret. And then it goes into the verse. So it just does, basically it goes G sharp to C sharp, but it just hits the E flat as a passing chord on the way. It does that, and then it goes, this is F minor, E flat, C sharp, peace. Okay, and then it goes back into the beginning of the verse. So this time it goes to B flat minor, C sharp, G sharp, E flat. It's a classic X box shape. Then it goes to C sharp, and that's how it starts over. Everything repeats twice in this song. And then at the end, they come out of that X shape part. And they go to C sharp. Stay in that for 3 measures. They do the X thing one more time. And they end on B minor, B flat minor. But almost all of it is frets 4 and 6. And then that F minor is at the 8. So it's the even frets. Alright, have fun playing that. Thanks for watching. Bye.